Alright, so there is a quick demo video on Holden VF or Chevrolet SS in the USA. All your control panels here does work, yes. So if we just basically go to radio, and if I tap home, it will just bring me back home, or the source, it will just technically just keep going through the source. And of course the volumes, sick, favorites, brings you back, stations, there's no other station saved, otherwise yes, it does work. You can see it works. And a tuning, yes, you can manually tune with these ones. And a climate control page, yep, it will automatically pop up. You can control it with the bottom control panels, or you can control your heated seats with the screen. So that's your control for the heated seat. We better leave it off because it is summer here and it is hot in Australia and Melbourne. We better leave it off. And yes, all the steering wheel buttons are working as well as per normal, as they should. And factory reverse camera, yep, it is still active and still working. So your climate controls are all working with the display on the new unit. Your control panel underneath the screen, every single one of them are active and working. The steering wheel is active and working. And actually this car has a Bose sound system, as you can see on the doors. So, and it is compatible with the factory Bose sound system, as long as you select premium sound on your checkout when you're purchasing one on our website. But if you're purchasing one manually, then make sure you tell one of our staff members and they'll make sure to add that on for you. Thank you.